Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer Canon MG5700 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to prepare cleaning feature, how to clean your print heads, how to clean your rollers using embedded web server. To do it, you just need to open embedded web server, providing the IP address of your printer into your web home browser, then log in using your standard or changed password. Then find here utilities, and here you will see cleaning and deep clean feature. So I suggest you use deep clean, but you need to know that deep clean is using a lot of inks. So find deep clean, click yes. And as you can see, here we have deep cleaning the print heads. Now just wait a while. So great, that's it. Do you want to print the nozzle jack pattern so you can print? I will not do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.